Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I roast my peanuts. And this is so simple guys, I think anybody can do it. So let's get right into it. I have here 1 kg of raw peanuts which I have divided into two. I'm going to roast one with salt and the other without, starting with the unsalted version. I pour half of the raw peanuts onto a lined baking tray, spread it out and roast it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius, making sure to stir it every 10 to 15 minutes to prevent it from burning. Whilst that's in there, let's continue with the salted version. For the salted peanuts, I added 1 tablespoon of warm water to a teaspoon of coarse sea salt and dissolved it completely. I put my peanuts in a bowl and added the salted mixture we just made. I'm now going to mix the peanuts until every single nut is coated with the salted water, just like so. Can you see how glossy they've become? That is what you want until there's no moisture left in your bowl. Now pour the moistened peanuts onto a baking tray. Spread it out and pop it in the oven, making sure to stir every 10 to 15 minutes also. After about 45 to 50 minutes later, our unsalted peanuts were ready. They look so beautiful and nicely roasted. Can you see how it changed in color? That's exactly what you want. You could even let it go even darker if you prefer. I'm going to put them in a bowl, set it aside whilst we wait for the salted version to be ready. This is looking so beautiful. I allowed the salted peanuts to roast for about 10 minutes longer because of the moisture we added. I don't know if you can tell, but the salted peanuts are looking a bit rough on the outside compared to the unsalted one because of the salt we added. I can tell just by looking at them. Can you see? I'm sure the difference is now clear. Unsalted on the right and salted on the left. After they are cooled completely, I store them in my jars and keep them in my cupboard for whenever I may need them. And I want you to know that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye.